Scrape tweets by tweet location and user location. I am trying to use tweepy to download tweets using the tweet location and not by user location. Currently, I can download tweets with the user location but am not able to get the tweet location even if geo_enabled returns true. For example, suppose user_A is from New York but he tweets from California. I want both the user location New York and the tweet location California. Code. Output. The above given output is cleaned version of the massive data. Even though the geolocation is enabled, I am not able to get the tweet location and nor the coordinates.
Why do tweets with geo_enabled equals true not give the tweet location? According to this, if place or coordinates is none, it means the user didn't allow permission for that tweet. Users with geo_enabled turned on still have to give explicit permission for their exact location to be displayed. Also, the documentation states, geo_enabled, when true, indicates that the user has enabled the possibility of geotagging their tweets. This field must be true for the current user to attach geographic data when using post statuses update. How to filter by tweet location? Check here. If you filtered by location, only tweets falling within the requested bounding boxes will be included. The user's location field is not used to filter tweets. If the coordinates and place are empty, then the tweet will not pass the filter. How to filter by user location and tweet location? You can capture the tweets from the filter and then check the author's location to match your area of interest. How to not restrict ourselves to the Twitter API filters. Remember, the filter allows all tweets as long as it passes one of the parameters, so if you need to be more restrictive, just include conditional clauses in def_on_data, self, data, as I did in 3, for the author location.
Just what the hell isn't somebody as a good